Colleagues, this year marks the 10th anniversary of the Paris Agreement. Every year since then, countries have come together to agree more detail. We know why the world must stop climate change. In the last 10 years, we've agreed on how to do it. In Sharm el-Sheikh, countries agreed to pool resources for the most vulnerable. In Dubai, they agreed to phase out fossil fuels and on steps to achieve the global goal in adaptation. And in Baku, they agreed on the financial support to enable the transition in developing countries. At least $300 billion by 2035, looking to ramp up that amount to $1.3 trillion. The energy transition is already in full swing, and it is unstoppable. Over $2 trillion were invested in climate action last year alone. And countries are taking note, with national climate plans that are slowly bringing climate action in line with the needs that scientists tell us must be met. Limiting global temperature rises to 1.5 degrees Celsius is still possible, but this window is closing very fast, with last year being the first full year above that temperature. Science provides the basis and the benchmark for all our work. We need your work to continue, now more than ever, as we pivot to implementation, because your insights can help us accelerate action to ensure temperatures stabilize and people are protected. From making plans to putting them in practice and assessing progress, the best available science is indispensable. I'm encouraged by the draft outlines and suggested timelines put forward by the 3 working groups. By August 2028, this information will deliver a fundamental assessment on the impacts of international cooperation for climate action. It will provide crucial information on adaptation and mitigation options based on experience, looking at costs, benefits, and who's to benefit, with equity in mind. Adaptation in particular is extremely important. We must understand the progress we're making, its effectiveness and adequacy compared to previous cycles, especially as we'll be agreeing more indicators to measure progress towards the global goal on adaptation in Belém. Now is the time to push forward. I urge all the delegates in Hangzhou to agree on these outlines and timelines, because your work will be vital as parties plan and implement climate actions, collectively assess progress, and consider enhancing their ambition. As we move forward, I look forward to continued cooperation between our organizations. I'm eager to hear an update from the IPCC chair during our June meetings in Bonn. Together, we can ensure a just transition and a sustainable future for all. I thank you.